morning children, welcome to the LUCID study. We are here with a model paper of Senior Inter Telangana State Chemistry. As we know that section A, it contains 10 questions of 2 marks each and all we have to answer in that section. So no choice in this section. 10 questions of 2 marks, 20 marks. And come to your section B. In the section B, we have to answer any 6 questions and each carry 4 marks. 6 questions of 4 marks is equal to 24 marks. And in the section C, we have to answer any 2 questions. They will be giving 4 questions and each question it carries 8 marks. 2 questions of 8 marks is equal to 16 marks. On the whole, the paper is of 60. Section C, in the section C, the first question, that is the 23rd question. What is molality? And he has given you the problem. A solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% W by W is weight by weight. What would be the molality of the solution? And the B bit is mole fraction with a problem. A solution of sucrose in water is labeled as 20% W by W. What would be the mole fraction of each component in the solution? Molality is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. And the molality, it is denoted by the small m and the units of molality are moles per kg. We have defined the molality now. Now we have to do the problem. 10% W by W, that is weight by weight, means 10 grams of the solute present in 100 grams of the solution. So here solute is a glucose. The formula for the glucose is C6H12O6 and the molecular weight of that is 180. Molality small m is equal to, we have a formula, weight of solute divided by molecular weight of solute into 1 by mass of the solvent in kg. So this is the formula. We have to substitute the given information in this formula. Weight of the solute, according to the question, he has given you 10% weight by weight. So the weight of the solute, it will be 10 grams. And the molecular weight of the solute is glucose. The formula is C6H12O6. If you calculate the molecular weight, you will be getting 180 grams. Maybe you know how to calculate. Take the atomic weights of all the elements. Carbon atomic weight is 12 into 6 plus hydrogen, it is 1 into 12 plus oxygen, it is 16 into 6. If you do that, you will get 180 grams. So substitute it into 1 by mass of the solvent. According to the question, 10 grams of the solute, it is present in 100 grams of the solution. So I want solvent. 100 minus 10, that is 90 grams. 90 grams, convert it into the kg by dividing 1000, you will be getting 0.09. It's a simple calculation. 0 cancel. 1 by 18 into 1 by 0.09. If you multiply these two terms, you will be getting 1 by 1.62. If you do this, you will be getting your answer 0.617 m. M is the units for the molality or else moles per kg you can write. The next B bit, define mole fraction and a problem based on that. Mole fraction, it is a ratio of number of moles of one component of the solution to the total number of moles of all the components of the solution is called as a mole fraction. And mole fraction, it is indicated by the term X. In a given solution, suppose 2 components are present, that is called as a binary solution. Then I want to find out the mole fraction of A. Then the number of moles of A, that is Na, to the total number of moles, that is Na plus Nb, is called as a mole fraction. Just compare with the definition now. The number of moles of one component, that is Na, divided by total number of moles of all the components, that is Na plus Nb. It is a mole fraction. So for finding the mole fraction, you can use this formula. If I want to find for B, that is Xb, then it will be Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Next, do the problem based on the mole fraction. Solution of sucrose in water is labeled as 20% W by W. What would be the mole fraction of each component? So we have to find the mole fraction of sucrose and water. Na and Nb, both we have to find. And what information he has given you? 20% W by W. 20% W by W means 20 grams of the solute is present in 100 grams of the solution. Let's do the problem now based on the mole fraction. And he has given you the information that 20% W by W means 20 grams of sucrose is present in 100 grams of the water. Your sucrose is a solute and water is a solvent. The formula for the sucrose is C12H22O11 and the molecular weight of that it will be 342 grams. And that molecular weight, it is useful to calculate the number of moles, that is Na. Calculate the number of moles of sucrose, that is weight by molecular weight. Weight he has given you 20. Molecular weight of sucrose is 342 grams. If you calculate it, you will be getting 0.058. This is the number of moles for the sucrose. Now, calculate the number of moles for water, that is solvent. Even that is weight by molecular weight. Weight he has given 20 grams of sucrose is present in 100 grams of solution. Water is a solvent. So, I want solvent now. So, 100 minus 20. If I do, I will get the weight of the solvent. That is 80 grams. It is the weight of the solvent, water. So, now I will be taking 80 divided by molecular weight of water, that is 18. If you calculate, you will be getting 4.444. So, now we got Na and Nb. And it's very easy to calculate the mole fraction now. We have a formula Xa, that is the mole fraction of solute we will take is equal to Na by Na plus Nb. Na is the number of moles of the sucrose and Nb is the number of moles of the water. Just substitute it 0.058 divided by 0.058 plus 4.444. Did you understand, children? Na divided by Na plus Nb. I have done. Just substitution. In the place of Na, I have substituted the number of moles of sucrose. And in the place of Nb, I have substituted the number of moles of water. If you do this, just 0.058 divided by this whole thing, add both the terms and divide it by 0.058. You will be getting 0.0129. It implies it is 9 here. So, I will be rounding off this to 0.013 is your answer. That is the mole fraction of the sucrose. Now, we have to find out the mole fraction of the water also. Mole fraction of the water. 1 minus mole fraction of the sucrose, it will give you the mole fraction of the water. And the mole fraction of the sucrose, it is 0.013. If you do that, 1 minus 0.013 is equal to, it is 0.987.